let's discuss on the isDigit string function. The isDigit string function returns a true if all characters in a string are digits. If not, it will return a false. This is very similar to the isdecimal string function with minor differences. So let's have an example of 1, 2, 3, 4 as a string and apply isDigit string function on it and execute our code, and you will see it returns a true. Similar to the isdecimal function, if the string contains any character, it will return a false. But if we apply the isDigit string function on the superscript 2, say /u00b2, and apply the isDigit string function and execute the code, we will see it returns a true. So this is the difference between the isdecimal and isDigit string function, where isDigit string function returns a true on the superscript numbers also, unlike the isdecimal string function. Thanks all for watching this video till the end. I hope you are getting the understanding by watching my videos. If you have any questions or you are facing any issues, please do post in the comment section and I will try my best to reply the same. If you are liking my video, please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get a notification when I post my next video. Thank you all again. Stay healthy and safe.